It's just the battle of the L-39s?
It is. No battle, no battle here. That's a 105.
105 versus 8.
So I'm just gonna try to stay on his wing and fly like his wingman.
Yeah.
Yeah, but 15 pounds versus 8 pounds.
16 pounds. Yeah. So we'll see if this one gets off first. But other than that, man, I think we're gonna be in good shape. What do you think, Joe?
Works for me.
All right. Got the timer set for 3 minutes. Running some 5200s. All right. Got the big bird up there. All right, we're just pushing up the field.
Let you turn and get set up first.
All right.
From this distance, they look the same size.
They do, don't they? All right, I'm all the way there. At the end of the field. You ready?
I'm here.
All right, L-39 time, taking off. Full throttle from me. You're understanding how it rotates much better now. Isn't that smooth?
Nice.
Nice and smooth. Backing out of the power. Really a nice flying plane. CG feels nice. Bringing my flaps up. And now we're flying.
What have you been doing?
Cruising.
Oh, okay.
But now you can see she's scooting. So we're gonna try to get TJ up there with me. Come on, TJ. I'm at half throttle right here, cruising around. Gonna do a low pass coming in. Love this bird. Nice, left
Oh,
turn.
just as TJ is starting to come into frame.
Left turn, coming around.
TJ looks like a little gnat.
That's my little buddy up there. Cruising around at half throttle, love it. Big planes, flying nice. Is that showing up pretty good, Jeff?
Yeah, man.
All right, gonna do another low pass. High speed this time, full throttle. That sounds great. Little victory roll right there. Coming back around. Backing out of the power.
TJ said, I gotta wait for you.
I'm coming.
I didn't know he was doing a victory roll. He didn't
Coming.
call it out.
Coming around. Okay. Love it, man. This is cool. Still cruising around half throttle. Oh, looks like the sun's trying to come out. Awesome. We got steady hand Jeff on the camera.
I wouldn't go that far.
Got lemon candy in his mouth. Superman's good. Around. That's the timer going on. All right, time to set up for a landing. Dropping those gear. Gear coming down. Nice. Kick out that little air brake there. All right, Jeff, you ready, sir?
Yeah.
Gonna do a nice little long rollout. Here we go. A little bumpy over there. Nice little headwind.
It's a big headwind.
There we go. She's down.
Hey,
Nice.
what happened, TJ?
Nice.
What happened?
I backed too far out of the power.
What happened? I missed it. I missed it.
TJ, like he had hydraulics on his plane.
Oh, well, look. That's such a good flight. We got the little guy in there. He's in there shaking in there. Look at that. He's doing good. So there we go, guys. Hope you enjoyed that, man. The L-39 from Banana Hobby is a good one, man. It's a fun favorite, and it's been battle tested. So don't forget to like and subscribe. Good to have you back. It's cold out here. What do you think, TJ?
That was a good one.
That was a good one.
Got to do it again sometime.
All right, there we go. Boom.